Hello friends, hope you're having a great weekend. Today we are going to do a pre-market analysis on gold. Before going to the session, I suggest you watch the pre-market analysis which was done on August 2nd, 2026. On August 2nd, 2026, we mentioned that gold from the range of 4045, there are chances that it can go higher, breaking all the resistance. Let's see what happened after that. As you can see, this is the same chart of gold which is mentioned at this area. Same. When we mentioned the gold was at the range of, from this range, it broke all the resistance. From the range of 4035, the market has gone up to the range of 4312 and beyond, like around 4372. So if we take an average, we have almost, our members have almost taken a profit of around 2700 pips from this area. So even if the people who entered after the breakout, maybe from after this breakout, at least you could have captured maybe, let's say, 2000 pips. Or if you have entered from this area after all the resistance breakout, you could have captured around 1070 pips. So very happy to see the profits made by all the members. And now what is going to happen next in gold? Now I'll take a new chart and I'll be showing you what is going to happen. Like this is the chart of Wanda. So currently market is in a resistance zone or rejection zone in between 4309 and 4403. How this is a resistance zone? I'll explain you. If you check the previous chart of gold, like this was a support area, this was an order block where gold came here once, took huge buy orders and went higher. Again it came down and it took a liquidity sweep, and from this area took multiple supports and went higher again. Like let's see how much pips it has taken. Like from here around 10,000 pips profit we were able to take that time. And from this area, let's see, this order block has given around 50,000 pips profit. And again it tapped on this area from here and it has given a pips of around 1786 pips profit that time. Now what happened after this order block was broken? After this order block was broken, this is becoming a breaker block. What is a breaker block? This will act as a supply zone once the order block, buying order block is broken. Now see what happened. Market came down, took rejection from this area and again came down to take support from the weekly support zone or this weekly order block. Now market has taken a great support and have tapped on the previous order block plus a breaker block. So as it has been a very big support zone for gold, this might act as a big rejection zone at this area. So we can't say that if this order block will or the breaker block will give us a sell entry, because it has already taken a sell entry from this area. It has already taken a good selling move from here. There might be some order blocks or there might be some orders, selling orders left at this area. That's the reason why it has stopped at this area and it has been forming. You can see it has been forming some rejections or resistance over this area in the lower time frame also. Now what can happen from this range? From this range, as it has given a lot of buy orders before, there might be more pending orders, and from here if you go to the 4 hours time frame or if you go to the hourly time frame, market, if it is giving a change of character. What is a change of character? Market from here, even if it is going up and taking a liquidity sweep from this area, and if it is giving a change of character, a movement like this, we can expect a lower we can expect a move, downside move in the lower time frame as well as the higher time frame. So we need to check if this area rejects, we need to check if we will get a rejection from this area. Also when we are looking at the hourly time frame, we can see there is a flag pattern which is forming. This can be a flag pattern, we can't be sure, but if for a flag pattern is being formed at this area, like if you check the 15 minutes time frame also, you can see it's a flag pattern, it's a retail pattern. At the same time it is in a bearish order block. Two things can happen. Either in the 15 minutes time frame or the hourly time frame, it can be a breakout to the top, or from here it can come down also. Both can happen. So normally if you see this is a bullish flag pattern, but don't trust a bullish flag pattern inside a bearish order block. So there are chances that like this also it can happen, it can go up, it can take more rejections from this area, and from here it can come down. So this is one scenario. And if the market is coming down from this area, mostly either market will, if it is a strong move, market can come down up to 4,204 range. That is the initial support zone for the gold. Also you need to look into this area also, like if the market will come down, you see a red candle in the lower time frame, this will act as an order flow. From here there are chances that market can take a support and go up as well. So it is in a confusion stage whether to sell at this area. We need to wait for a proper confirmation, a strong red candle like this, maybe a strong red candle or a strong IFC candle, or we can check for a change of character, then only we can go for a sell entry. And if the market is coming down from this area after taking a change of character or something, then this will be the first support. Market can go higher from this area. Also, if it is coming down to the range of 4,102, it is a great support for the gold. You can directly go for a buy, there is not a problem, or you can wait for a single candle order block or an IFC candle and go for a buy. Now, you might be thinking what to do. Dear friends, if you are planning for a sell from this area, you need to take limited trades. You shouldn't take, like higher quantity trades or high risk trades. For example, if you are a member who can take, who has the capacity to take 5 trades, just take 2 trades at this area and just calculate how many pips. For example, for 0.01, if you are going for a sell, if the market goes above, the pips is like around 737 pips. That means $73 you will lose for a single trade. Like means for 2 trades you will lose $140. Only if you are willing to lose that amount, you should risk for a sell entry. It can come down. If it is coming down, it's a profit for you. If it is going up, you will lose some amount, which is like around $140 or something like that for 0.01 2 trades. Now, if the market is coming down to this area, you can confidently go for a buy, no problem. How can you go for a buy? If you buy with a 0.01 lot size over here, if you are a scalper and if you are scalping, it's a great move. You can capture the great move. Even if the market is coming down, it won't give you a much bigger minus and all. You can hold on to that trade, and either or you can cut off. If you are holding also, not a problem, because this is a great support zone. From here market can take a great support, and from here market can go up. This is the chances in the lower time frame, or in the coming days this can happen. And what if due to some news or something, and if there is no enough order blocks, what if the market is giving us a huge buy candle like this? Like you can see a strong green candle, and if the candle body is getting closed above, many people don't know what is a candle closure. Candle closure means above the order block or a breaker block, the market's body is getting closed. So if the candle's body is getting closed like this, that means it's a bullish confirmation, and from here you can plan for a buy until 4,503. Why 4,503 is a rejection? Because you see, from this ranges, market previously tried to take some support. From this ranges, market previously tried to take some support. This is also a breaker block. So there are chances that market can get rejected from this area. So 2 chances. If the candle is closing above, candle body is closing above, we can go for a bullish momentum. If the candle is closing below, and if we are getting a change of character, the market will come down to the range of 4,204. Also, I need to remind you this red candle in the 4 hours time frame is an order flow. There are chances that if the market is taking a slight support, it can go up from here also. So wait for the candles. Don't simply blindly enter. If it is showing a pure bearish momentum, I'll be updating everything in the group. If it is showing a pure bearish momentum, we can go for a sell. If it is going for a bullish momentum, definitely we should go for a sell, and this will become if the candle closes above, this breaker block will become an order block again. Now, the chances for the market to come down to the 4,000 range are very less as of now. Even if the market is coming down to this area, you need to understand that will be an economic crisis, or it will be a very, very, very manipulative move, which might not happen. That's what I would like to say, that might not happen, because after a very long time, like from January to, let's look at the date, January 29th to August 4. That means February, March, April, May, June, July, August, 7 months market has been down. Now the market has given us a breakout. So we can expect the market will reach mostly to the range of 5,000 very soon. And it can go beyond also to the 6,000 range also. But the initial resistance zones are this. All this resistance should break. And it's a good news for all the holders who have been holding from these areas. You can all cut off your trades and profits in the coming few days or few months, like mostly in by September, October month. That's what I think, or it can happen in the coming month also. It's gold, we cannot predict anything. And while looking into the news for the coming week, dear friends, we can see that on Monday and Tuesday there are no news impacts that is going to happen. On Wednesday we have CPI and crude oil inventories. Core CPI news is also there. We need to be careful at this area. Do not take over trade. And on Thursday, we have initial jobless claim. You know the impact of this news, and you should be careful. Friday, it's not a problem. It's not a big deal. But Wednesday and Thursday, you should be very careful. So, my dear friends, wishing you all the best. Let millions and millions of dollars come to your account as always. Thank you so much and all the best.